मखदूम साहब,
Sir.
जो अभी हमें इन्फॉर्म किया गया, subject to what the election commission confirms, we have been informed that the nomination papers, the declaration given was that of SIC. So now the situation may be totally different. It is not undisputed, subject to what the election commission confirms. If that declaration was given, then the gentleman was a candidate of SIC.
My lord,
And that is what the seat was secured by SIC in the National Assembly. There must be a certificate of affiliation
Lord,
from...
may I, your lordship, this was something extraneous to the petition. It is not there in the body of the petition or the appeal. It has been said over here, but I was referring, your lordship, to a document which has been filed by the Election Commission. It was on that basis that I made that submission. May I respectfully draw your lordship's attention again to CMA 5840 of 2024 in Civil Appeal 333 at page 111.
मखदूम साहब, वो आप बाद में हम देख लेंगे once the election commission confirms.
But
because that will be the factual position.
My lord, the factual position also is that at the moment there is, that factual position may change, but at the moment there is a letter on the record dated 26th February 2024 signed by Sahibzada Muhammad Hamid Raza, Chairman, Sunni Ittihad Council, which states categorically on 26th February 2024 that no candidate contested in the general elections 2024 on the symbol of Sunni Ittihad Council. Therefore, the list regarding women candidates does not exist and is not submitted.
Symbol जो है has not, speaking for myself, has nothing to do with the fact whether a candidate has contested the elections as an independent or as a party candidate. It is his declaration in the nomination papers which would be crucial.
My lord, that is, I am not privy to that, but that will come before.
And it's also relevant, as we've just been told and subject to what the election commission says, that was he denied contesting the election against the symbol of the horse, and why was he denied that, which made him also, compelled him to contest as an independent. So it changes the way this case has been argued.
I do not, your ladyship, dispute that observation. May I only submit that this was not the case set up before the election commission, or in the pleadings before the High Court, or in the petition or appeal before your ladyship
So then
and your
let's
lordship.
not rely on this fact for now until it's confirmed.
Well, I am only saying that this fact has not even been alleged. Throughout these proceedings, this is not a contested fact.
This letter does not show that they were denied the symbol or they were not allowed to contest it. It's a very simple letter. They themselves inform the ECP.
This letter
Not
does.
the case.
This letter does not show, and my lord, the pleadings do not show that they wanted to contest and on the symbol of a horse.
It means that there was a symbol
SIC.
was available. They say that nobody contested the election on
Yes.
the symbol. It means
Yes.
there was a symbol. Otherwise, so there was no mentioning of symbol.
this
If
is-
it was snatched by the ECP, then
This-
what is the fun of mentioning this case? Nobody contested the election on the symbol.
My
There
lord-
was a symbol then.
Insofar as I am concerned, till this disclosure made this morning, this was the undisputed position from the pleadings of the parties, and that was the basis of my submission.
Ali Khan, I think it's pretty settled law that everything has to be said on the basis of pleadings. I mean, law points, of course, you can agitate. Now, so sorry, we will go by what the pleadings are. Unless there's something in the pleadings saying to the contrary, fine.
My lord, my friends with
It's
them,
neither our case to build up someone's case, nor is it our job to demolish anyone's case. We will go by the facts as have been stated. It's for the other side to say this fact is not factually correct, or that's your prerogative or their prerogative.
My friends with the matchless industry will be able to point out if I am in error on this, but my case before this honorable court is that this was not a fact in issue.